guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all my review for Mamaearth's rice shampoo and conditioner. So if you are interested in knowing everything about these products, then please keep on watching. When I received Mamaearth's Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner, I was very excited to try them out because if you know about this village in China which is also known as long hair village, so ladies there only use rice water, like fermented rice water, to wash their hair, and we all know how magically it works for them. So even in Mamaearth's Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner, they have tried to follow the same fermented rice water formula, and that is what excites me a lot. I always wanted to try this rice water thing on my hair as well, but we all know nobody has time to do all these DIYs. So I was more than happy to know that Mamaearth has launched something very similar to help all of us out. Because I trust Mamaearth like anything, not just for their products but also for the fact that they are plastic positive Indian brands, so they recycle more plastic than they use. Also, whenever whenever you order something from Mamaearth, they link every order on their website to a tree that they plant, which is a great thing, and I totally support them for that. Now let's talk about their shampoo and conditioner. They both retails for rupees 349 each. So I have Mamaearth's Rice Water Shampoo with rice water and keratin for damage repair. Now the key ingredient in this shampoo is definitely the fermented rice water. It contains vitamin B, C and E, which will help a lot with the damage repair to our hair. And what it also does is it decreases the surface friction, and it also improves the elasticity of our hair. The second best ingredient in this shampoo is keratin, which makes our hair more manageable and less frizzy. It also helps a lot with giving that glossy and full look to hair, which is a great thing. This one also has wheat protein in it. Now what wheat protein does is it is a powerhouse of amino acid, right? So it hydrates our hair and it thickens and add volumes to the thinning hair, and it definitely works a lot because our hair are made of protein, and anything protein will definitely make it look much healthier. On the other hand, Mamaearth Rice Water Conditioner also has rice water, it also has keratin, and it also has coconut oil in it. We already have discussed the goodness of rice water and keratin for our hair. Now the coconut oil present in it, what it does it actually moisturizes and seals the moisture in our hair, and it also helps prevent the breakage and the split ends, which is a very common hair issue nowadays. Not just this shampoo and conditioner, but all the Mamaearth products are free from all the harmful chemicals and are all natural. After using this combo, I felt that my hair looks much healthier. I can also feel the volume to my hair, and I can feel the roots are much stronger now. And because of the keratin, your hair will look straight and shiny, and I think everybody loves that look on your hair. All in all, I can totally say that if you will use Mamaearth's Rice Water Shampoo and Conditioner, you will definitely see the result, and you will see that split ends are very less, they are very less hair breakage, and you will have that silky and smooth hair. Mamaearth's products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purplle. I will put all the links in the description bar below. Do not forget to check that out. You can also use my code, which is Vedant2021, at the checkout to get 20% off on Mamaearth's official website. Please note that this code is only applicable on Mamaearth's website, and it will not work on any other platform. You can also download their app, which is available on both iOS and Android, to get early access to sale and discounts. And yeah, that is all. Please guys, do consider getting yourself this shampoo and conditioner, because we all know rice water actually promotes hair growth, and that's exactly what all we need this in current situation, because everyone is going through different kind of stress, and that is causing a hair fall and split ends and stuff, and this combo is gonna work amazingly beautiful on your hair. So yeah, that was all. Please like this video, share this with your friends and family. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.